everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today I am doing a collaboration video with Hartage Ways. This is called Savor the Scraps, and I am making potato pancakes. But before we get started, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would like for you to do that now. Subscribe, like, and share my videos. I would like to thank Hartage Ways for including me in this collaboration. There are a lot of great channels that are involved in this. I'm going to link all those channels in the description below. Thank you so much, Hartage Ways, for including me. I am truly honored to be in among such great channels to be a part of this collaboration. So let's get into the recipe. Here's the thing, guys. I know a lot of people right now are struggling, and some of you may for the first time have had to use a food pantry. If you have, you're getting things like potatoes. You may be getting instant potatoes. This recipe you can use with potatoes you've gotten, instant potatoes, and you know, potatoes right now are really inexpensive. So here's a great recipe you can use with leftovers. I've got some mashed potatoes. And into that, I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to add a chopped onion. If you don't like onions, don't use it. And then I'm going to add some black pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of flour. And then with the flour, you're just going to kind of eyeball it. So I'm going to just add a little bit right now, and then if it looks, once I mix it up, like I need a little bit more flour, I'll add some more, and then I'm going to add some salt. And I'm just using kosher salt. You can use Himalayan salt, whatever kind of salt you like, and then I just mix it up. Potato pancakes is a really kind of old, potato cakes, potato patties. It's a really kind of old-fashioned recipe. I have literally been eating this my entire life, and I am 47 years old. It was something that my mother made, and I think her mother made before her. It was a Great Depression recipe that they would use to use up leftover potatoes. So, all right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna move over here to my stove. We'll be right back, and then I'll show you how you make these things up. Okay, to my skillet, I'm adding just some light olive oil, but I'm also going to add just a little bit of ghee. It helps bring up the temperature. Sorry, let me grab a spoon. It also helps bring up the temperature to your olive oil. I try to stay away from vegetable oil, but you use whatever oil you feel comfortable using for your family. And then you just want to let this get hot. I've also made this with butter, so if you want to fry this with butter, go right ahead. I don't use margarine. If you know anything about me, I have a no margarine in Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. And then I just take a heaping spoonful and lay that down. And you don't want to mess with it until it starts crusting around the side, or it'll fall apart. see it has started kind of crisping up. I have this on like a medium-high heat. I'm just gonna flip it over. And these don't take long to cook at all, guys. Turn it down just a little. If you're new to my channel, I have a lot of canning videos, cooking videos, so check me out. And if you like what you see, I'd love to have you a part of the Mama Z's channel. I do a live cooking show on Saturdays at 9:30 Central Standard Time, every Saturday. So I'd love to have you a part of the Mama Z family. And then you're just going to put them on a paper towel. I'll turn this one back over for just a second. I'm going to drop a few more in here. Like I said, these don't take very long at all. And they are definitely a family favorite. A lot of times if I make like tuna patties or salmon patties, I will cook these up with it. Down just a little bit more. I'm using my Lehman's iron skillet. This is an amazing skillet. I won this from Two Family Homestead. Okay, I'm going to cook the rest of these up and we'll be right back. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you Hartage Ways for including me in this collaboration. Be sure and check out the other channels that is part of this. I'll be sure and link them down below. Thank you again. Potato pancakes, everybody. Enjoy. See you on the next video.